Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to delete a recurring expense from your Splitwise account. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Splitwise application on your device, and if you haven't logged into your account already, proceed with your email address and your password or your Google account. Once you are logged in and taken into the home page, if you wish to delete a recurring expense, then first you will need to locate this. From the Groups menu, tap on the expense, which you have set as recurring. If you don't know what a recurring expense is, then when you tap on the Add Expense button, you will be able to choose from the calendar icon if you wish to repeat any payment. If you have turned on the repeat option, then you will be able to select the frequency. And if you have used this option while creating any expense, then this will become a recurring payment. In order to delete this, just tap on the payment and you will see all of the logs and the details regarding this payment. Tap on the delete icon at the top right corner and you will be asked whether you are sure that you want to delete this expense. Just tap on the OK button, which will delete this expense for you and everyone else that is involved within. And now this recurring expense that you just selected has been deleted from your account. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to delete a recurring expense on your Splitwise account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.